Welcome back to the channel. So when this channel hit 1,000 subscribers, I asked you guys what you wanted to see. And you said more Foxbody, more technical, and more dyno. To that end, I've brought this little project car in here, and we're going to have a little fun with it over the winter. This isn't just any Fox project. This is actually a garage find car that I had the good fortune to come across late in the season. Ran across a guy at a car show, had this car. It had belonged to him and / his daughter for 20 years plus. They were the second owner of the car. He's got a whole bunch of stuff kicking around there. Wife wanted something gone. He's kind of a Chevy guy, so he wanted the Mustang gone. But for the most part, the car looks really good. And it is a true garage find car. It's been sitting around. It's all cobwebs, looks like a Halloween party underneath. It's got 123,000 kilometers on it. Actually, not even quite. So it's super low miles. I don't know what that is in miles, but like 70,000, 75,000 miles there somewhere. It's totally stock, and I mean totally stock down to the air silencer cone, rubber wrap on the distributor, coil cover, catalytic converters, mufflers, everything. It couldn't be more stock. In fact, I've hardly seen a Foxbody this stock in the last 15 or 20 years. So I think it's a great find. Also, unlike some of these, stripper coupes and so on we've been talking about, this car is the exact opposite. It's a high option 93. Inside, one of the really nice things is it's a black interior car. I think Ford calls this color dark charcoal, but this is what everybody calls black. And this is as black as the interior of a Fox Mustang gets. All factory. There's a little mystery box here, which I haven't spent any time looking at. The console latch, of course, is broken. However, look at this. This is unrestored. The ashtray door works fine. It's an automatic. I know some of you guys are going to say, what a terrible choice. But actually, I think as you get into an era of people driving and building Foxes as cruisers, a high option automatic car may be a really desirable car. And I've kind of got my focus drawn here to this radio. That's a factory Ford CD player. Air conditioning car, of course. Vents are all in very nice shape. Generally speaking, the interior is real clean and consistent with being a low mile car. Another thing you're going to find that's interesting is the power seat. Very few of these Mustangs shipped with a power seat. This car has one. One thing that suggests it probably is a two-owner car, it came with the manual in the glove box. How often do you see that? Incredibly, the gas lift struts in the hatch work. Came with a pile of parts in the trunk, but here's some other stuff that's usually missing on these cars. It's got the cargo cover, and it has the special protector for the glass sunroof when you take it out. Oh, another thing I liked, I don't know if you guys are a fan of that old movie Repo Man. It has a not pine tree but maple leaf air freshener hanging from the mirror. Under the hood, it's filthy. This is the kind of thing you get on a car that's just been sitting around. But it's got things like the rubber wrap. It's got things like the factory air box. And I don't know if I can get a picture of it, but you see that peeking out in there? That's the factory air silencer, which that's something that's always missing. Coil cover, still in place. all the stickers on there. And of course it has an alarm. Probably that's something you would consider correct for a period car, because they stole these cars as quick as look at them back in the day. Anyway, we're going to go through it this winter. Try a whole bunch of different things with the car. It's great to be able to start with a pure stock car, so we can start from the beginning talking about some of the most basic things that you might do with your car. And I'll look to you guys for some advice on where we should go with the car. Comment. Tell me what you'd like to see done with the car. Tell me if we're on the right track. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos.